Hi, welcome back to Mzansi Overloaded. As you've seen by the title, we are discussing Uskos Maphuma. Congratulations are in order for him. He bought a new BMW. This is guys look up athi gone kanje asikathi vum 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 gone kanje. We thought he was joking and then bekantshela ukuthi yazini ungekudala lo ngizobe ngithi gone kanje ngemoto entsha. One thing about Uskos Maphuma, he's a big fan of BMW and he's buying the latest version apparently. Although, in as much as we are happy for him, the sad thing about amapiano artists, most of them is that they are buying cars but not investing. That's the sad part. I mean, Scott Upumala, I do nje umntana se 15-20. Although I say uphume emaphupeni, angazi ukuthi uphume emaphupeni noma Davidson, but now obviously ngiphuma around Davidson. So you know ukuthi impilo enjani njengoba siphuma la, we need to push hard so that we can be able to ukuthi siphume kulezimo esikuzo. So seeing Scott doing that is such an inspiration, but also seeing Scott become reckless with his money is also something that is like crickets flying, like what the hell. I don't know much about his life, but I don't think that he has renovated his home. I doubt. I'm not sure. I doubt because we haven't seen any updates. Wow, Scott has upgraded his home, blah blah blah. So it's so sad. And then maybe he has to go back to Ikaya that doesn't resemble the person that he is. I feel like you already have a BMW. The second step is for you to buy your own property. Even the house at mid-rent, I'm not sure, but I doubt that he owns the house. Probably he's renting. So imagine when everything like falls down, we'll be able to go pick higher. These celebrities, like, they are so reckless, like they are trying to prove a point to Gutiazini, Unemali, like there's no need. I can't need. At least buy your fancy car, buy property that you own is under your name, then you can start being reckless ngemali yakho. It's so sad because the next thing they'll be out here bakhuluma ngabathi bhekase kanjani bhekase kambashile, forgetting ukuthi they were blowing the money away. Do you want to end up on I blew it Scott Mar? As in Asazi, let's hope like he's probably doing the best decisions with his money. Become reckless udlale ngemali lapho uphuma kwelinye ilokishi beni ukuthi la kumele uphushe la noma ungabuya nje uzobe kusekakeni la kuyanyiwa. So asazi, congratulations are in order, although they need to learn to invest. All these amapiano stars, like look at Abo Jezik, they have clubs. Abo Cabs are small, they have clubs. Abo Maporis, they've got clubs, or other establishment. Abo Oskido, they know that should everything come down and crumble, I have something to fall back on, and then his name more. At least if I was buying a Mapolo of our boards, that was something else. And you going to be luxurious cars, then when everything crumbles, we was name moto. People must be wise, Yela netolo ukuthi umuntu omnyama akwazi ucabanga umuntu omnyama akwazi ukusebenzisa imali, because these are the same people that, I mean, you already have a luxurious car. Why buy another one? Like, you need it though. I don't see a need. But anyway, it's his money. So congratulations are in order for him.